It is Science Sunday. And what are we doing today, Jack?
A volcano. Mommy just got this for $3. There's like 5 clearance stickers on there.
Yeah, Target has some really nice deals in the clearance section right now. So we took advantage of those because we love science.
My favorite subject.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yay! We got presents.
So what's in there, Jack?
A volcano piece. There's more presents, honestly. Open volcano piece. Cardboard boxes. Oh, yay, more. Volcano piece. And our base, which is awesome. And now we have our instructions. There's more little stuff in here. Looks like there's some palm trees. Hawaii. Very small. Little details. Like a whole bunch of palm trees. There's one more thing in there. Okay, so like this goes like looks like it's going like this somehow.
Okay, so we assembled our volcano. It was pretty easy. It only took about 5 minutes. And right now we are dyeing our vinegar so that it's the color of
Lava.
And then the instructions say to fill the volcano about 3/4 full. You want to go ahead and do that?
Okay, no.
Now you don't have to pour all of the vinegar in there. Just make sure it's only about 3/4. All right, sounds good. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the instructions say to put baking soda in the little cup there. So we put baking soda in the cup and we have to balance it. Now it's really tricky to balance. There we go. All right, Jack, are you ready?
Sort of.
You're going to push that.
Now what?
Try pushing it in. Like, yeah.
Okay. It's shaking.
Let's see. Whoa! Is it erupting?
Almost.
Little bit.
Oh, now it's starting to erupt.
Oh, look. It's bubbling up. It's bubbling up.
This is amazing.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Maybe? Possibly?
Possible, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There it goes. Ah, and now it's going down. We didn't get a full eruption. I wonder what would happen if we put more vinegar in there.
Now?
Yeah. Well, no, not right now, but
Later.
you want to try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
Just dump the whole lava.
Yeah, we'll dump the whole thing. Okay, we have added some more vinegar in there. We filled it almost all the way up. Look at that. Look. Whoa! How awesome is that?
Now that's what I call a eruption. Wait, it's erupting again, I think.
And look, we have some cars from Cars Fire and Rescue.
Planes.
Planes Fire and Rescue to clean up the mess. So I think take 2 was definitely a success. We had to fill it up almost to that line right there.
What will happen if we add more baking soda?
Okay. And see what we have happening here is an acid-base reaction. Vinegar is an acid, and when it combines with baking soda, it creates carbon dioxide. How about we do it one more time in slow motion?
Yeah.
Go.
Now that's what I call a volcano.
Yeah, so what do you think of this kit?
$3.88, really good.
Yeah, we got it on clearance though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was the Wonderology Volcano kit that we got at Target. The retail price was $12.99, but we got it for $3.88. And it's definitely worth the $3.88. It's also important to note that it did not come with the baking soda. We had to raid another one of our science kits for the baking soda.
Because we didn't have any.
Because we didn't have any. And we had our own vinegar and food coloring. So the kit just comes with the volcano and you provide your own ingredients for it. But the awesome thing is you can make it erupt again and again and again. Right, Jack?
Yep. And eventually it's going to turn red.
Look at that. Look, look. Whoa. How awesome is that?
Now that's what I call a eruption.